Okay, so hey guys, it's me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video, I will be doing the unboxing of this HP Envy X360 2-in-1 laptop, and also I will be discussing some of the specifications of this particular laptop, and also later on I will also be making a full detailed review video of this particular laptop. So you must subscribe to my channel, and so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. I personally purchased this particular laptop from the Technocrat Infotech Private Limited, and if you are interested in buying in this kind of laptops for yourself, then you must surely check out their shop. I will be providing the address and all those details in my description box down below. And also, while I purchased this particular laptop, I got some cool gifts from them as well. That is, the first one that I received is this kind of HP bag. As you can see here, this kind of bag I got as a gift, and also they provided me this wireless mouse. This is from the brand called Zebronics. As you can see here, this one is a wireless mouse. I already had one, but since they provided me this gift, which is a very good thing, that is this one. And also I got a student discount as well from their end. And so if you live in Kolkata, then you must surely visit their shop once, because they have all different kinds of laptops from different brands and different models. And one main thing which I liked that shop very much is that they have all kinds of laptops that are displayed for all the users as well, because it becomes easier for us to see that model in front of us physically before buying one for ourselves. And so if you are interested in buying these kind of laptops which I purchased, then you must definitely go and purchase one from their shop as well, because they provide a very good collection of laptops and all other accessories as well. And so now let's start unboxing it. Okay, so as you can see that this is how the box actually looks like. It comes in this kind of black colored box as well, and here in front you will get this kind of HP branding is done. Here it is written Envy X360, which means that you can fold this laptop, and you can even use it as a tablet as well. Here it is says that audio by Bang & Olufsen. As you can see that the audio is actually provided by them here. As also you will be getting some of the additional instructions that are also provided here. This is the MRP, as you can see that, and also some of the other informations are also provided here. So let me show you the main specifications. Okay, so here as you can see that this one is the HP Envy X360 convertible. This is the 13-inch display. So here as you can see that it is 13, and AY0533AU. This is the actual model number. You can even note it down as well. This is the actual model number. Here it comes with the AMD Ryzen and 4500U. Here you will be getting a 512 GB of SSD, that is solid state drive. Here no optical drive is provided. Optical drives are not provided nowadays. It comes with the Windows 11. Basically it is Windows 11 compatible, and it comes basically with the Windows 11 operating system. Here you will be getting the touch screen and multi-touch enabled, because it is also touch screen enabled. That is, you can even touch the screen and you can do all these stuffs. Also it comes with the S Pen as well. Here as you can see that it comes with the 3-cell battery. As we all know that these are the battery specifications. And here it is written that 16 GB onboard DDR4 RAM is provided here. So this is onboard, so you can't replace it or add any kind of extra RAM basically. But although it comes with the 16 GB of RAM, it is more than enough. It also has a variant which comes with the 8 GB RAM as well, but mine one is actually 16 GB of RAM. Here also you will be getting a 13.3-inch Full HD IPS LED display that HP provides you. As this is the brand name which produces the audio basically.
and here also you will be getting a fingerprint reader. And also this particular box, this laptop basically comes with an S Pen as well, so you can also perform all that stuffs as well. So now let me first unbox this package and let me show you. Okay, so let me open this seal first and let me show you once what else we get inside the box. Okay, so let me open the seal. Okay, so now let me open the box in front of you and let me show you. It is also very much premium device from HP as well. So here inside you will be getting this kind of packing is there. So this is our main laptop. Let me open it first and let me show you. This is the main laptop. Let me keep it aside for now. It is very much lightweight as well, and also very much comparable with your hand, because most of the laptops are very large and so it becomes difficult to handle, but this one is very much easy to handle. These are some of the instruction guides that are provided here. Let me show you once all the details that are there inside it. So let me first open it and let me show you. That is, these are basically the instruction that are provided here. Here also you will be getting Windows 11 operating system enabled. That is, these are some of the instructions. If you want, you can read them as well, as it is X360, so you can even fold this whole device. So these are some of the paperwork as you can see here. So let me keep it aside. So this one is the stylus, or you can even call it a S Pen. That is the Apple Pencil that we buy, or any other Note series smartphones from Samsung that we purchase, we get this kind of S Pen. But HP also provides this kind of S Pen here as well. So let me show you first the S Pen, and then let me show you the other accessories as well. So here as you can see that this is the actual S Pen. So this is the actual S Pen. It looks very much premium as well. So let me remove the wrapper first. Okay, so let me remove the wrapper first. Okay, so this is how the S Pen actually looks like. Here you will be getting two buttons. The full detailed review I will be making. I will be mentioning all the features that this S Pen has. Here also you will be getting this kind of HP branding is also provided. The stylus overall looks very much premium in hand as well. So this is how the stylus actually looks like, and if you slide this panel like this here, you will get this kind of a charging port is also provided here, which is a very good thing. So, and also you will be getting this kind of charging cable is also provided here. So this one is actually the charging cable. Let me show you once. So let me open it first. Okay, so this is the main charging cable that you can fix with this S Pen here, like this, and here also you can charge it with your laptop as well. You directly plug it in inside your laptop, because your laptop also comes with this kind of Type-C jack as well. So after that you can easily charge your stylus as well. So let me keep it aside for now and let me show you the other things here. This is the instruction manual of this particular S Pen. So let me also show you this as well. So here are some of the details that are provided here, how to use the S Pen. Here as you can see that as you can fold this particular laptop, that is 360 foldable, so you can even use it as a tablet as well. Here as you can see that you can do all those writing stuffs as well. So this is how the stylus or the pen actually looks like, this one. So let me also keep these things aside for now, and let me show you the other accessories that you will be getting inside this box before we go to the main laptop. So this is as we get in all kinds of laptops that we buy. So this is the basically this is the charging cable, as you can see here. Okay, so this one is the main charging cable. So this is the and here you will be getting this adapter as well. Okay, so it is very much simple. All you need to do is to just plug it in like this, you need to just plug it in, and as we give charge to any other normal laptops, you need to just insert this thing inside the charging port of your laptop, and this is the main plug. The overall quality, build quality is just superb for this particular model. The cables are very much high quality, as you can see here, and all this other things that I showed you earlier also looks very much premium. The S Pen, which I think that it is the very much good looking S Pen, and because of that black color, it basically comes with the Nightfall black color, which looks very much uncommon in most of the laptop segments that we see. So this is the power cord and the adapter. So now, after showing you all these things, now it's time to show you the main device. So let me remove this box first before showing you the main laptop. Okay, so this is how our laptop actually looks like. It is completely made up of metal body, as you can see here, and the HP branding is now done like this, which looks very much premium as well. So let me remove the wrapper first and let me show you. So this is how the laptop actually looks like. Okay, so let me open it first and let me show you. Okay, so let me open this thing first. Okay, so this is how the laptop actually looks like. Here, as you can see, this is the main laptop. The black color looks very much premium, and it is mostly very much uncommon in case of the laptops that we buy. Here you will also get this kind of NV branding is also done here. These are the two hinges that may actually help this laptop to turn 360-degree round, and here some HP branding is done. The device actually looks very much lightweight and feels very much lightweight as well, and also the overall build quality is just superb, as it is completely made up of metal. The body is completely made of metal. Now let me open this device first in front of you. Okay, so this is how the device actually looks like. So here, as you can see that, if you see that here it says that AMD Ryzen, this is the processor here. It comes with the this basically comes with the Windows 11 out of the box, and all these things are provided here. Now let me turn it on first and let me show you the laptop from after it gets started. Let me show you. Okay, so here, as you can see that it is turned on. It also comes with this kind of backlit keys as well, which also looks very much premium when you will be working at night. This looks very much premium as well. All the other special features that this particular laptop will be providing you, all those things I will be mentioning in my upcoming videos as well. So please stay tuned, and let me now show you all these things first. Okay, so here, as you can see that it is loading, and now this is how the interface actually looks like. As I told you that it comes with this kind of touch screen feature, so you can even use it using your touch screen as well. So it is very much easy to use with the touch screen, and so all these things are, this is how the laptop actually looks like. If you can see, this is how the laptop looks like from all the sides, and I am trying to show you each and every detail of this laptop. Okay, so this is how it actually looks like, and it also gets folded 360-degree round like this. Here, as you can see that you can even tilt this laptop as well. That is, you can even tilt this like this. Here, as you can see that you can even tilt this laptop. That is, here, as you can see that I have tilted it. So basically you can do all those things with this laptop as well. So let me now take it to its original position. Okay, so this is how the laptop actually looks like, and that's all for this video. in my next upcoming videos I will be doing the full detailed review video of this particular laptop, and also will be showing you all the other works that you can do with the S Pen as well, or the stylus, whatever you say, and all the other special features, the audio quality, how is it, all those things I will be showing you, the security features that this computer, that is this laptop, basically provides you. All those things I will be showing you later on. So thanks for watching, and I catch you guys in the next one.
So this is all for today's video, and so please stay tuned because soon I will be posting a full detailed review video of this particular laptop which I am using nowadays, and also will be showing you that how you can redeem all those that is the warranty and all those things, that how you can redeem it. I will be discussing all those things in that review video only, and so you must subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post that full detailed review video you can get a clear idea of this particular laptop before you purchase one for yourself, and also all those things I will be clearing in that video. And so thanks for watching.
Okay, so hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are thinking of buying this kind of HP Envy X360 laptops for themselves. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.